In today's economy where everything is super expensive, including food, going out to eat or getting takeout for the majority of us is just not an option. So what we do is we come up with alternatives that we can make at home and still get the same feel of a takeout food or dining out. And that is exactly what I've come up with tonight, you guys. I have here in front of me the ingredients to put together a copycat Pizza Hut melt. And it's a lot simpler than you probably think, but a lot cheaper as well. So if you want to learn how to put this deliciousness together at a fraction of the cost, and at the same time, you guys, I have a low carb version, then stick with me and I will show you how coming up next. So the Pizza Hut melt is like a slice of pizza that is folded up, so you have all the goodness of the pizza on the inside of the crust, and the crust itself is a thin layer, and it's nice and crispy and crunchy and hot and gooey. And you guys, we are gonna make that today, but we're not using a traditional dough crust. We are using one of my go-to ingredients these days. Let me tell you, I have come up with so many different recipes for these tortilla shells. I'm gonna have to do a recap on everything that I put together, from regular meals to desserts, you guys. That is how versatile these are. And we're gonna use it today in this Pizza Hut melt. Low carb version and a regular version. And along with that, the other ingredients are pizza ingredients. We have a sauce, mozzarella cheese, we have some pepperoni, and then after we brown it all up and get it all nice and crispy, we are going to put some shredded, or I should say grated Parmesan cheese, along with some oregano. And you guys, that is the recipe. So we're gonna start with cutting our shell into the size that we need. I've already done exactly that. With the regular version, simply cut it in half, you guys. That's all you need to do. And as you can see, once you fold it over, you have like a little pizza wedge. All right, so come in close. We're gonna get this one cut, and then we're gonna bring all of these ingredients over the stove top, and then that's where all of this is going to come together. All right, everyone, this is my low carb shell. Super, super simple. Take your pizza cutter, find the middle, eye it, doesn't have to be perfect, and simply cut. And there you have it. And again, once we fold it in half, it looks like a little pizza wedge. Okay, so you guys, let's go ahead and take all of this over to the stove top. And again, this is where we're going to put all of this together. I'll see you there. Okay, everyone, so to our skillet that has already preheated, I'm going to add a little bit of avocado oil. Take my shells and lay them in, and just gently heat them on either side. Okay, flip it over. Okay, so now what we're going to do is start layering on the ingredients. So we are going to start with some marinara sauce on 1/2 of the wedge. Then our cheese goes on top of the marinara sauce. And you guys, at this point, I've got the temperature on the stove turned down to low because I don't want this to cook too fast. I want to give all the ingredients ample time to melt on the inside without burning this crust. Okay, and the next thing we're going to put on is our pepperoni. About 3 slices per side. Now at this point, go ahead and fold this over. And you guys, if you need to put a little bit butter in here just to make sure that our crust is going to get nice and crispy, then you can do that as well. That's what I'm going to do. Look at that. Thing of beauty. And at this point, we can go ahead and sprinkle on some of our Italian seasoning. I'm going to use some oregano, just for that extra flavor. And then some grated Parmesan cheese. And you guys, this is ready. Just like that, okay? Now I'm gonna get ready to make some more. Add a little oil. And in goes our shells. And I am going to follow the same exact process for these. Okay, you guys, this is nice and brown on the outside. So at this point, it's just a matter of putting some oregano on top. And then some grated Parmesan cheese. And these are ready. All right, guys, I see you at the table. All right, everyone, time to gather and enjoy this delicious COPYCAT Pizza Hut melt. Lord, I thank you. Because I'm low carb, I'm going in for the low carb version. Okay, that's good. That is really good. Got a little dipping sauce here, which is marinara sauce, which, by the way, is what they serve theirs with. This is just another example of you're not having to spend a lot of money, but still make it your own kind of special. Give this recipe a try. When you do, leave in your comments that you did. Let everybody know just how wonderful this is. And remember to give this video a like and share, and also subscribe to my channel if you're not yet done so before. Remember, you guys, it is a great day, and you continue to make it your own kind of special until we meet again. Keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries, and I'll see y'all real soon on my next Fit 550. Thank you, guys, and enjoy.